Imagine a world where your phone predicts what you want before you even type it. Cars drive themselves through chaotic traffic, and doctors detect diseases years before symptoms appear. That world isn't science fiction anymore, it's powered by machine learning. And whether you realize it or not, it's already shaping your world. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every task. Instead of following fixed instructions, these systems improve over time by identifying patterns. Think of it like teaching a child. You don't give a child a rulebook for everything. You show examples. You correct mistakes. Over time, they learn to recognize patterns and make better decisions. Machine learning works in a similar way. Instead of writing thousands of lines of code telling a computer exactly what to do, you feed it large amounts of data. The system studies that data, finds patterns, and builds its own understanding. For example, imagine teaching a computer to recognize cats. Instead of coding what a cat looks like, fur, whiskers, ears, you show it millions of images labeled cat or not cat. Over time, the system learns what makes a cat, and eventually it can recognize one on its own. This is called training a model. But machine learning isn't just about recognizing images. It powers recommendations on platforms like Netflix and YouTube. It filters spam from your email. It helps banks detect fraud. It even plays a role in medical diagnoses, helping doctors detect diseases earlier than ever before. So why is machine learning so important? Because the world is generating more data than ever. Every second, people are creating massive amounts of information, online activity, transactions, sensor data, social media, and more. Humans simply can't process all of it fast enough. Machine learning can. It can analyze huge datasets in seconds, uncover hidden patterns, and make predictions that would be impossible for humans alone. That's why businesses rely on it to make smarter decisions. That's why self-driving cars depend on it to understand the road. And that's why it's becoming one of the most powerful technologies of our time. But there's another reason it matters. Machine learning doesn't just automate tasks, it transforms industries. In healthcare, it can predict diseases before symptoms appear. In finance, it can detect risks before they become crises. In technology, it's driving innovations that were once considered science fiction. At the same time, it raises important questions. If machines can learn, how much should we trust their decisions? What happens when algorithms influence what we see, what we buy, and even what we believe? These are questions we're only beginning to explore. Because machine learning isn't just a tool, it's a shift in how the world works. And we're still at the beginning. The systems being built today will shape the future in ways we can't fully predict yet. So the next time your phone suggests a video or your app seems to know exactly what you want, remember this: it's not magic, it's learning. And if you enjoy exploring the stories behind the technology shaping our world, make sure to subscribe to Talking Tech.